Namaste. Myself Dr. Madhu Thawani, Department of Public Administration Coordinator to B. Narmas, South Gujarat University, Surat. Department of Public Administration is offering two courses, that is MA Public Administration, that is Grant and Aid program, MA Political Science program, that is Self-Finance program. Number of seats offered under MA Public Administration under Grant and Aid is 63 and higher payment is 25. Under MA Political Science, 75 seats are offered under higher payment, that is a self-finance program. One can also go for PhD in Public Administration at the department. If I talk about MA Public Administration program, the eligibility to enroll in the course is that any graduate, that is BA, BCom, BSc, any graduate with 40% marks can enroll in the discipline. It is a 2 years program carrying 80 credits. In first semester, basic outline of the course is this way. In first semester, we offer principles of public administration, issues in Indian administration, that is Indian polity, comparative public administration, economic policy and administration, public personnel administration. Second semester, bureaucracy and organization, state and district administration in India, administrative law, social policy, research methodology. तो यहाँ તમે જોઈ શકો છો, you could see that these 10 papers gives a basic understanding about public administration, and here on you can also learn that it is an interdisciplinary course which gives a knowledge about economics, comparative study of other countries, human resource management, complete governance setup from the central to local level government, social policy, administrative law, research methodology which helps you to carry out the project work. So it is a very enriching and an interdisciplinary course. Beyond this, in third and fourth semester, we offer specialization, that is HR, that is human resource management and crisis management. The student can go for human resource management specialization or can go for crisis management. This third and fourth semester subjects are also very enriching. Indian Introduction to Public Policy, Management of Financial System, and HR papers, it is here way. You can see principles of human resource management, organization behavior and development, government and labor policy, industrial relations, safety management. These are HR management group papers. Crisis management, disaster management, water resource management, environment policy and management, police administration, public health administration, issues in population policy. So this is the complete content of our MA Public Administration program. In last semester, the student can go for dissertation, or in lieu of it, one can go for public policy paper, Introduction to Public Policy and Ethics and Value, Ethics, Value and Governance, one paper. So this is the complete content of our syllabus, which is spread over 4 semesters. It contains 80 credits. If I talk about the assessment process, continuous assessment process is on, that is through internal test, assignment, presentation, attendance, overall performance of the student is assessed on these basis. The methodology to give lectures is in English and Gujarati both. Student can write exam in English, Gujarati, Hindi. In all three languages, students are welcomed to write the papers. And the other thing, the opportunity available with the students after completing this course is that they can work as a consultant to the government, public relation officer, analyst. They can take part in policy making process. They can do projects, assist the projects or carry out the projects of the government, and they can go for academic career also. So this subject, if I talk about MA Public Administration, is a very enriching course which helps the students to prepare for their competitive exams, as most of the papers what we offer are covered in Public Service Commission exams, General Studies paper. As I talked to you, environment, economics, or social welfare, Indian polity, most of the papers are covered which students would like to prepare for UPSC and GPSC or any other competitive exams. Thank you so much.